Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're focusing on the best Makita DGA404 Angle Grinder, a versatile and high-performance tool that's ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Let's get started. Product features. Widely used. The Makita DGA404 is a multi-purpose tool designed for various applications like cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing. Its versatility saves time and effort, making it a go-to choice for diverse tasks in construction, metalwork, and home projects. Rechargeable Angle Grinder. This angle grinder is powered by an 18V lithium battery, providing the freedom of cordless operation. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to greater mobility, whether you're working in a garage or an outdoor site. High-performance brushless motor. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, the DGA404 delivers long-lasting performance and reduces wear and tear. Brushless technology ensures less heat generation and more efficiency, extending the tool's lifespan and providing consistent power for heavy-duty tasks. Time-saving and labor-saving design. The ergonomic design of the Makita DGA404 makes it easy to handle, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The tool is engineered for precision and efficiency, helping you complete tasks faster and with less physical strain. Compact and lightweight. Despite its powerful motor, this grinder maintains a compact and lightweight build, ensuring easy maneuverability even in tight spaces. Pros. Cordless convenience. The rechargeable design provides greater flexibility and ease of use. Versatile applications. Handles various tasks with efficiency, from cutting to polishing. Durable and reliable. The brushless motor offers long-lasting performance and durability. Ergonomic design, lightweight and easy to handle, reducing strain during extended use. Time-saving performance, enhances productivity with its powerful motor and efficient operation. Battery compatibility, compatible with other Makita 18V tools, allowing you to swap batteries as needed. Cons. Battery sold separately, the 18V lithium battery is not included in the standard package, requiring an additional purchase. Pricey for beginners, its advanced features might make it less appealing to casual users looking for budget options. Final thoughts. The Makita DGA404 Angle Grinder stands out as a reliable, versatile, and high-performance tool. Its cordless design, powered by an efficient brushless motor, makes it an excellent choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking mobility, durability, and power. However, the separate battery purchase and higher price point might deter budget-conscious users. Despite this, the grinder's wide range of applications, ergonomic design, and robust build make it worth the investment for those seeking quality and reliability. Check the price using the link in the description and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more product reviews and tech insights. Thank you for reading, and see you in the next video.